Come here, hey. Breathe on my neck a little bit. I'll give you some pre-juice.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Yeah, that's slick shit. Woo! The real deal. Come on, you sexy pup. What you got? Much better. I really didn't think it was ever going to start, but finally did.
Not bad. It's pretty good.
Fouled out.
I'm pretty sure it's got bad gas in it from setting. I'm just gonna put some more gas in it because it's almost empty. Maybe we got some sixes up front. Tune her up a little more.
Spark plug. I only have 7.
You need 8 of them.
No, we're just gonna do a 7-cylinder.
Like Volvo?
Yeah, number 8 will be Bluetooth.
You said that. Walking here all mad.
Think you lost that love and feeling. The oil you're putting in there? fuck's wrong with this motherfucker?
Motorcraft.
You just putting 1030, 1040, 1050, 520, just fucking mix it up and shit. What are you gonna end up with, like a 739 or some shit?
Pretty close.
Motherfucker. Makes his own viscosity.
They ain't got no oil.
Lou taught him that shit. He's like, Lou would tell him, he's like, I want a 1241 viscosity in the old Corvette fucking road racer.
We only have 3 quarts of 1040.
He'll make it up. He back there, hey, stirring that shit up.
Turning like butter.
Checking it. He taught him how to check it. Let it drip off a fucking paint stick. 4 drips in 1 second. Nailed it, son. #1 fucking qualifier, baby.
You okay?
That's my guy. That's my guy right there.
You okay?
Knows what he's doing.
That's my guy. Hey, he put Lou on top of the fucking leaderboard many a time
We won't admit to that.
with that secret fucking oil viscosity. And don't even get me on the rear end shit they had going on, son. God damn. Motherfucker putting like alcohol, mixing it in the rear end grease, thinning it out. Shh. See what it does is, well, the deal is it evaporates out as the race goes on. So if they check him, legal motherfucker, woo! Fucking won that shit. Cheap NASCAR. It's almost like he worked for Jimmy Johnson or some shit in NASCAR.
I don't know what he's talking about.
My cock ring.
And Rupert, husband.
I just put it on about 1 turn, snug.
Ed is a big fan
Need a
of the
demonstration.
Pittsburgh Steelers. And he likes listening to me.
Get on there,
this
buddy.
channel.
Hang on.
At least that's what he said on X. I
Come on.
appreciate it.
Not bad. Way better than it was yesterday, huh?
Right. 7,000 wires later, it runs again. 7,000.
At least 7,000. That's not counting like all of them.
That's
No.
the secret behind the dash of a Cobra is just 7,000 wires.
Yeah. You gotta
Spliced together
You gotta find the
in a
right
specific
one.
order.
Safe. Clean. And you up, boy. Those motherfuckers. How do all that shit?
Just so y'all didn't know, you see Mikey slick mist in the old Cobra there. That's another little trick he learned from the Lou G. 3 10,000ths per lap. Just to the slicker body.
Have it looking like that.
Oh, dude, the air flies off. No restrictions whatsoever. Just no parasitic drag, no nothing. Because the Lou showed my boy how to get it done. Right there. Look at him go.
Lou seems like a real good guy.
Yeah, do it, son.
I'm gonna send all these videos to Lou.
I think we are too. That dude was a smart motherfucker no matter what.
Yeah. I got your checklist right here.
I would remember when I was kind of running back in that. I'm like, 15.
That is my car. Damn.
Oh wow, my car shakes. TB! I always look to see how long they've been sitting. I had a car here the other day that had 01s on it.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Yeah, no. You need tires now.
Oh, it must be up there. Oh, it is. Oh, it's not. Where is it? Do you not have one? I don't see no wires. Oh, there it is. Is it melted? No, it's not melted.
No, not yet. But it was close to it.
Oh, yeah, put a little touch up here. Oh, yeah, it's pretty good. It's good. Wires are. That is not a good spot. There you go. I'm glad I've seen that. That is not. What are you doing over here fucking with me again?
He's got that LGI. What it is. He spotted that shit with the car sitting on the ground, son. He can feel it. He's got like a 6th sense for shit like that. Because you have no idea, like, the air that's coming off your tires and getting under the wheel well. If you got a wad of wires like that over there, that's 1/10 thou.
Gone.
Dude, when you're number 2 on the grid and the man in front of you is 1/10 thou ahead, and you know that Mikey can move that wad of wires out of the way, and next thing you know, you're tied pole position. That's your guy right there. That's just how he is, man.
I got no comment.
Hey, he's a modest guy too. He'll never admit it. That's why I do it for him.
Somebody's got to.
I do all the talking for him. See, he's just that way, man. Calm, cool, and collected. Look at him. That's my guy right there.
Italian stallion.
I could wax your fucking nutsack, Mikey. I bet.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
No, I can't do it. I'm not feeling it today.